bad icy. It snowed over the top of ice we already had, so if you get a little bit of the powder on the sides, you got some traction. Right in the middle, it is just polished ice. So we are crawling towards town to see how this goes. We've got the International in the back. It's got to go to Portland. I am not committed to taking this thing to Portland just yet. We're going to get into town, see what the highway looks like. It's not worth doing if it's going to be like this the whole way. I'll turn around and go back home, and we'll have to do it another day. But we're going to keep going here a little farther, see what town looks like, see what the highway looks like, and make a decision here. So we're on the highway, and it's not that bad, so we are going for it. We stopped to pick Zach up. He's going to help out with some filming on this, and we'll just keep watching the road and see how it goes.
My windshield wiper is working beautifully. His is leaving streaks of snow and ice across the windshield, so just trying to get that sorted out right now, and then we'll be back on the road. But so far, not great with the windshield wipers.
It's cold outside. Definitely cold outside.
It really is. Let's see if that fixes our problem right now.
Oh, look at that! I can see when the wiper isn't frozen solid.
That's beautiful.
Had a bunch of ice build up on the wiper itself, and my wiper wouldn't work. So we fixed that. Ready to get going?
Yes, indeed.
Let's go. Let's go to the truck stop and get breakfast.
Oh, heck yeah. That sounds lovely.
All right. Sitting here at the truck stop for 10 minutes. Nobody's moved. Nobody is getting fuel. They're all just sitting here. And now he's walking off. Yeah. Not getting fuel. Not getting fuel. Not getting fuel. None of these are moving. None of those have moved. No, it's normal. They'll get fuel, and they'll be done, and they'll go inside. They'll go get showers. They'll go do laundry.
That's so inefficient.
Yes.
Very selfish.
Yes. All of those things.
So we're sitting here.
It makes me want to do mean things, like take my underreach and remove them from the fuel island.
Oh.
Welcome to the life of a trucker.
Oh boy.
It's fun. So we did not get fuel because truck drivers are very inconsiderate. I have enough fuel to make this whole trip all the way back home, but I would prefer to have full tanks in this weather going over the mountain. But went inside, got some wipers. Oh, look at that.
Nice.
Yeah, well, nailed it. Okay.
Let's see if that does it.
Hey, truck drivers. Since we're on the topic of truck drivers, watch this. I'm going to teach you guys something. When you have stuff like this, you can do this really cool thing called walk right over here. You can put it in the trash. I know it's crazy to think, but you can do that. You can do it too. I believe in you. I'm going to piss off so many truck drivers, but I'm not wrong.
Alright, beautiful.
Okay, let's go.
Oh yeah.
Back off into the great white wilderness we go. Supposedly, going over the mountain is actually good weather, but down here in the bottom is bad weather, which is a little weird, but that's what the traffic cameras are showing, so we're gonna head for the mountain and see how bad it is. So this is like, borderline should put the chains on before going down this hill. It's slick. I grabbed the brakes pretty hard at the top to see what would happen, and we slid. So it's going nice and easy. Now look, my wiper works now. Look at that. As long as we keep going slow, it's okay. But if we start to speed up, just know that I am not purposely speeding up. So
Nice.
if we start to go faster, like find something to hang on to.
Noted.
Problem is it's icy under the snow.
Oh yeah.
If it was just some snow on the road, it'd be okay, but there's ice under it.
That's for real. That's how you know he's done this for a while.
What?
Just going down this sheet of ice road and snacking on the
I'm hungry.
Chex Mix.
Yeah. if I concentrated on the driving, I'd probably screw up. So
that's true. That's
we
true.
have a snack.
It's second nature. Let your instincts kick in.
Often, but it is a nice day in Portland. Hopefully we get in here, dropped off, and can get back out of here quick. So we gotta wind our way through town a little bit here to go find this thing's going into a neighborhood, so that should be fun. Should be right around this corner somewhere. One right here. Yes. I want to set the gravel spot right there. So, where can we unload? I'm going to... Look how dirty my truck got.
Oh my.
All the people are like, you need to wash your truck, you need to wash your window. Well, those people don't realize that usually by the time they see whatever I'm doing, I've already driven somewhere. And in the wintertime, this is what it looks like when you drive somewhere. So, I angled the bed just a little bit up so that it wants to go this way. Tightened up the winch. We'll pull all the chains off on the backside. We'll leave one front chain on. So I like to leave one front chain on. I mean, I pulled the winch tight, but when I tip it back, just in case for some reason the winch is in free spool, because you can put that winch into free spool from right here. So just in case, that way when I tilt it, it doesn't just free spool and off it goes. So I leave one chain tight, and we lower it down. And then I will tighten up the chain or the winch to loosen this chain, because then now I know the winch is engaged and tight and going to hold the load.
That's the way to do it.
Now I'll let you in on a little secret. There's a reason I do that. I learned that lesson. Not obviously with this truck, with one of my sliding axle Landau trailers. I had that happen. I had a big grater on there.
No.
And I tilted it up. I took off the chain when I ended the chain. Off it went. Yeah, that was fun.
It was in free spool? That's awful.
Yeah, it was a bad day. This is one that Ben with 406 Garage found. He got it, he went through it, cleaned it up, some different wheels and tires, like, you know, drivable ones, not old dry rotted ones. Made sure it run good, clean the carburetor type of stuff, and then where you could drive that around town if you really wanted to. And then this guy bought it, and he's going to go through and restore it and make it a restored daily driver nice rig. So this is another one. This is what Ben with 406 does. He finds these in a field, an old barn, someone's old ranch, and he gets them, goes through them, and then gets them to somewhere that they're going to be restored back into a daily driver vehicle for someone.
Sweet. I like it. Wants it. I can hear it trying.
It's so close.
So close.
Let's flood it, then it'll start. Come on. We might have to put it back on the bed and back it in there. Oh man. So it ran and drove onto here. I know, I saw it. I think we're gonna just back it in there with the truck then.
Alrighty.
Once you back up.
Yeah.
Should have done that the first time, but oh well. Why do the job right when you can do it twice?
Heck yeah.
You get that whole saying, I never said I was good at this. There's a reason that's like my company, what is that, slogan? Logo slogan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't even say it right. That shows you how good I am at this. He looked angry. You see that?
Yeah, for real.
Like, how can you be mad to see a tow truck? I should have just blocked the road the first time.
Maybe. But you can't always do it twice. That's always an option.
Oh, no, it's not. I
Okay.
screwed up so bad the first time there was no doing it twice before.
I could see
I've
it.
done that once a bunch of times.
Oh, damn. How does that happen?
Oh, shenanigans. That's how.
Simply put, yeah,
Shenanigans.
makes sense.
And if I had a good answer to that, I would know what to do to not make that happen. But I don't. The best part is I see a sign on his house that says security cameras in use, so he can see all of our dumbness. Well, my dumbness. All right, I'm back in there.
Alrighty.
Should I turn on the strobe lights so people think we're cool?
Heck yeah.
This minivan over here is right where I wanted to like swing the front end, but
You ate that curb though.
well, that's because I haven't had breakfast yet. See everybody? Strobe lights. Does that make all the light people happy? I don't like them. This thing does run and drive. Like, we drove it up here.
That's what they all say.
Yeah.
It's okay, it'll give him a little more work in restoring it.
Damn used car salesman.
Always out to get you.
So the battery in the camera died. But what we're saying was, this guy paid us for a service to have this truck delivered and put in the gravel right there. So that's where we're going to put it.
Good call.
No matter how many 15 hours it takes me. So off the ground, okay. We're going to put it in the gravel.
That's commitment. I like it. Are you gonna use the end of this as a push arm to just push it into the spot?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Remember when you asked how things go wrong and I said shenanigans? We're gonna do shenanigans.
That's a good example right here.
Yeah. We're gonna do shenanigans.
It's got a solid frame there. That looks like it's meant to take some weight, so we should
Oh no, I'm gonna off the tire.
What?
Off the tire.
Really? You think that'd be better?
Yeah, because I don't want to push on the worm gear drive of that winch that's right there.
You don't want to push on what?
There's the worm gear drive for the winches right there.
Yeah. Oh shit, you're just gonna like...
So, we're gonna be gentle. So we're in neutral. Watch, so gentle. Just ease it on back.
Love it.
How about that right there?
How about that? That's nice.
Look it. There's the gravel. We made it to the gravel.
Yeah.
put it in gear, and then have something to block the tire with. Put this right here, because I think he wants to take out those newer bucket seats that are in it and put the stock factory seat back in to like go all original with this build.
Nice. Got to get the bench seat.
Yeah, so
bench seats are so awesome.
we are going to block the tire with the tire.
Nice.
Good. All right, I'm gonna just pull up out of the road here, and then I'll put all my stuff away.
Alrighty.
I will do this right now though, so I can shut the PTO off. Okay, all done. That is it for this one. We got this truck delivered to its new home, where it's gonna get restored back to original and become something you can drive all around town and have some fun in. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Big thanks to Zach for filming back there. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.